Still struggling to decide which dash camera to choose? This is Tajamul. Adil. Want a top-notch video quality and reliable safety driving features? Then don't miss this video. I will dive deep into a head-to-head comparison of two 70 high-tech models, the 4K Omni and the 800SE, breaking down the key features, ideal use cases, and real-world performance to help you make a smarter choice. So let's jump into it. If you're looking for a dash camera that captures your daily driving with a crystal clear footage and reliable performance, the A800SE is a solid choice. The 70 A800SE dashcam is an affordable family that offers 4K HDR quality and a 3-inch screen with 4 control buttons. The focus is on quality, internal changes, and heat management. The highlight is the true 4K HDR sensor, which set it apart from upscaled 4K. It also features a built-in GPS, a parking mode, and an emergency mode that records up to 3 minutes before a collision. A800SE is proficient at obtaining clear images even in challenging light situations, thus improving your security while driving. What's more, the A800SE comes equipped with an EDS Advanced Driver Assistance System that can alert you to potential risk, while the built-in GPS records your vehicle's real-time location and speed, offering essential support in critical situations. Its TrueK 4K ultra high definition recording system captures finer details, and it stands out in the price range with a smooth 30 frames per second recording rate, a rare feature as many competitors only offers 20 to 25 frame rates, often resulting in lagging footage and lost details. The A800SE features a true 4K HDR and aperture of f1.55, which is exceptionally wide. The A800SE utilizes a supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium battery, making it significantly more heat resistant and safer even in the extreme hot conditions like those in the Middle East. In this video, we will take a closer look at the two dash cameras based on different key aspects. Next, I will show you real driving footage side by side compared to actual 4K output. Here's an important takeaway. All 70 My products offer true 4K resolution, whereas many competitive brands advertise 4K but only delivers interpolated 4K, which results in noticeably poor quality, especially in low light or while in motion, as you can see in the right side video section. The 4K Omni is a cutting-edge device with the features like dual Sony Starburst 2, AI detection 2.0, and 4G support. The 4K Omni features a rotatable lens and offers 4G connectivity, giving it more coverage and creative flexibility. In contrast, the A800SE features a fixed lens, but it's renowned for its rock-solid stability, excellent clarity, and user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for users who prefer simplicity. The A800SE offers true 4K at 30 frames per second without upscaling, capturing essential detail like road signs and license plate with precision. Whereas 4K Omni captures crystal clear 4K at 60 frames per second footage from the front camera with HDR support. Experience smooth 4K 60 frames per second recording for detail and fluid video even at high speeds. The 70 My app is interesting and very easy to connect, but make sure to download the latest version, and you can find the 70 My app link down below in the video description. Download the 70My app and connect the A800SE dashcam. After a few minutes, it will connect successfully with your dash camera. As I am now using the A800SE dashcam and this app is fast and stable, I am showing you its complete camera setup. You can also set the timing for parking surveillance, collision detection, emergency video, configure all ADS settings, and view camera along with the GPS location to see where you were driving at the time. Ease of installation to app connectivity, we will test both devices to evaluate the user interface, setup process, and how easy to start recording right away. "4K Omni offers some extra features over A800SE, as you can see in the video as I showed the complete dash camera settings. Lastly, my opinion about the 70My app. The app offers a convenient way to interact with 70My dashcam. It's important to be aware of the potential connectivity issues and other minor drawbacks. App offers a user-friendly interface for accessing footage and controlling the dashcam. Now I want to talk about the 24-hour parking surveillance, as I have installed hardware kit on both 70My dashcam and I want to show you how the camera responded. Another very important feature is low light conditions, as the A800SE offers super night vision with the HDR capabilities, whereas the 4K Omni comes with the enhanced night vision. In low light conditions, both models shows different strengths. The A800SE support HDR high dynamic range, which adjusts exposure to avoid overexposure from headlights or underexposure in dark areas. For instance, when driving at night and facing strong incoming lights, HDR helps retain detail in cars and pedestrians ahead, a crucial safety feature. The 4K Omni is equipped with advanced night imaging technology, providing stronger detail retention and better clarity in dark conditions. As you can see in the slow motion footage and side-by-side video footage, each model performs in various nighttime scenarios, helping you determine which fits your driving habits best. Finally, I want to show you side-by-side comparison of front and rear footages in different conditions, day, night, and low light conditions. Which 70 my dash camera is right for you? I think you already decided. Not yet. No worries. If you are after cutting edge technology, wide angle flexibility, super night performance, then 4K Omni is a great choice. But if you are looking for value of money, HDR capabilities, and daily driving footage, the A800 is undoubtedly better fit for you. The A800 buying price is $159.99, whereas the 4K buying price is $310.99. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are looking for complete review for 4K Omni, which offers wide angle flexibility, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.